Hey guys, I'm Nadia, and today I'll be showing you the very popular V&A Waterfront. So this is Nobel Square, and this is in honor of South Africa's 4 Nobel Peace Prize winners.
This is Albert Luthuli, Archbishop Desmond Tutu, former state presidents F.W. de Klerk and former president Nelson Mandela. Taste some traditional South African food at the V&A Waterfront Food Market. Try a lekker potjie, some bobotie, pap or chakalaka. And a must try is our very famous biltong and droewors. Biltong is very similar to beef jerky. It's basically cured meat which is salted and spiced.
So the building behind me is the Zeitz Museum of Contemporary Art Africa, and this is found at the V&A Waterfront. What's awesome is if you're a South African citizen, on every Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. you can come and visit this museum for free.
There's also loads of fun activities for the kids. There's a play park. There's a scratch patch where you can go digging for some beautiful gemstones. As well as mini golf in a cave. Check out the art and craft market where you can get some great South African souvenirs. Explore Cape Town City with one of their sightseeing tour buses. One of their main ticket offices can be found at the V&A Waterfront. And don't forget about the 2 Oceans Aquarium.
This is the Nelson Mandela Gateway to Robben Island Museum, and here you can buy a ticket, board a ferry and then take a trip all the way to Robben Island, where you can learn all about the history of Robben Island and where South Africa's former president Nelson Mandela was kept prisoner for 27 years. Why not come visit the Springbok Rugby Museum? Here you can learn all about one of South Africa's most popular and famous sports, rugby. watching my video, guys, and remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.